Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing these OG UltraBoost size 9.5 men's. These were actually purchased from StockX, so this is my first pair of shoes from StockX, so let's check out the StockX tag too. So wanted a pair of the OG UltraBoost. Wow, okay, let's see. So here's the StockX tag. StockX verified. Purchase price a little under MSRP, and this is how much StockX charged. All right, here we go. Wow. So fresh, you guys. Look at this. OG UltraBoost, original colorway. StockX verified. I am leaving these tags on when I wear them, so that everyone knows that they're authentic. Just kidding, just kidding. But this is one of my favorite colorways because it's original. Boom. All right, does the other shoe have the StockX tag as well? So I could leave those on. Wow. All right, cool. So new with tags, that's all StockX sells. Verified, new with tags. Adidas UltraBoost OG colorway, super fresh with the StockX tag. Yeah, cool. Hope you're all doing well. See you all for the next random unboxing video. Gonna have more shoes I'll be unboxing. Got some more shoes coming my way. So, all right. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.